Hello, I am Sandmax again in front of this beautiful Muslim temple, and now we are here with the grasshopper with a small upgrade I just do. I changed the handlebar. I put this kind of handlebar. Seems the Moloko is quite different, but the function seems the same. I take out the bag in the front, I will find a better one. I keep that and I put an adapter here for keep it very tight, and it works. This is a Libera bag as you see, so it have a quick release fixed way to put the bag. Also I had this bag from this hole, and we are testing this setup because in this setup this can be a nice adventure travel bike, because you can put something, you can also keep out things from the triangle, like the bottle cage, and put a frame bag. This, as you know, is a mullet, so it's 27.5 in the front and 26 in the back. And now we are testing this setup. Of course, this guy passed when I was making the video. There is plenty place beside and behind me, but he need to pass in front of a person making the video. It is normal, they don't care, It's like a zombie walk, and everything happens around them, they don't care about it. Anyway, this is the bicycle. Now I will test it. I will check something to make it better, but we are almost arrived at the final result. Now is still comfortable. You have a lot of plenty of hand position. Of course, I need to put some tape here, probably some tape here, and I don't know if I put tape here or just spans, and that's it. I need also to put here the protection, because the mechanic here, they say, don't need, but it need, so, because you can pinch yourself, but they don't think about safety also. Anyway, we do it. The grasshopper, another version, and I'm still going to show you other interesting version or other interesting build you can do with your bike you already have, but you want to refresh it. So subscribe, like, share, follow the channel, and check the playlist for new idea, new review, and new experiment. Bye bye.